Clip 2 you can take. You pull me in real tight.
Yep.
Real tight, real tight, real tight. Got me good? Cool, I'm gonna sit down. And then, sweet, same process as before.
My name is Juan Rodriguez, and I'm a student at Northern Michigan University. I've been rock climbing for a little under a year. I started rock climbing because a friend of mine invited me to go to a rock climbing gym back in my hometown in Grand Rapids, and from then on I kind of just fell in love with the sport. I didn't really realize how great it was at the time though. A lot of people would argue that bouldering is the more simplistic way to climb. It's just raw climbing. You pretty much just have a crash pad, chalk, and your shoes and your muscles, and that's it. That's what you have to climb with. But with rope climbing, you have a ton of different carabiners with wire gate locking carabiners, belay devices, ropes, helmets, shoes, chalk, quick draws. Like it's a huge difference. I feel like the best part about climbing, if you take away everything else, is the fact that you're putting yourself in an uncomfortable situation willingly and overcoming that fear and that uncomfortableness of the situation and succeeding. I think what makes climbing so awesome is that there are cool people that will teach you how to climb. And when I first started, there was great people that were around to teach me how to climb. So I think that's why I like doing that so much. And then now I'm tied in through both hard points. And now I'm like, so now I'll pretend I'm climbing and like, oh, I fell. Yeah, dude, okay. Yeah. Is that I know what it takes to get somebody into the sport. And it's honestly pretty easy. But there's like this weird mysterious aspect of climbing that I think intimidates people. So I love to bring new people out all the time and kind of show them the ropes, no pun intended, that and show them that climbing is really nothing to be scared of.
Yeah, and now just let that booty fall and slowly walk back. Let all the weight, let your legs stand straight in front of you. Now walk, legs, kind of keep the bend out of your knees.
Okay, so
yeah, now walk back. Just trust me.
I think at the end of the day, what I get out of climbing is mostly just, the satisfaction of maybe bringing somebody in contact with a new thing that might be their favorite sport or a new passion of theirs, or maybe I brought them out and they were afraid of heights before and now they're not, or something like that. It's just nice to kind of know at the end of the day that I was able to facilitate somebody's experience climbing, and hopefully it was a positive one, because then that makes me feel even better.
Yeah, there you go. Bro, that was crazy.